Hello everybody. We here at the Ffestiniog and Welsh Highland Railways are absolutely delighted to be welcoming you back this summer. And this is our 12-point plan on how we are going to keep our staff and you safe so that you can enjoy your visit. Tickets are bookable online only. The journey is from Porthmadog to TAN-Y-BWLCH with boarding from Porthmadog. Please arrive 30 minutes before your departure time. There will be entry and exit points at the station with one-way systems in place. Please follow signage. We encourage all visitors to wear a mask. Hand sanitiser stations will be available on site. Catering outlets in Porthmadog and TAN-Y-BWLCH will be available for a takeaway service. We encourage everybody to pay by card only. Your ticket will be checked before you board the train. Please bring your email confirmation on your mobile telephone or print this out before you arrive. Our carriages have been adapted for this service. Please choose your own compartment and return in the same compartment. There will be a 1-hour interval at TAN-Y-BWLCH station. The carriages will receive cleaning services in between trips.